streaming and it should connect. There it is. Now we're live on YouTube and we're live on TikTok. All right, guys, let's go ahead and cover our day for the day. Let's have a nice watch list breakdown, and we're just going to cover what's going on in the market. I do like VXV for a possible higher low for break back up to 70 cents. Ooh, excuse me. But first up, we are going to be looking at our watch list. We have MREO. Now, MREO was on the watch list, was on the scanners before. Now it's not. We were gapping up. We're gapping around 15 cents. Right at the 200 SMA. If we break above, we're going to continue to push up to 175. Break below, we're going to push down to 130. So really just see which direction it breaks. MREO doesn't really have a good press release. So we also have BKSY. BKSY has good higher volume than average, 60 million in float. And we're kind of just staying stagnant at the moment. I'm not a huge fan of this price action, waiting for some movement over $2.80. Excuse me. Over over 280, we have room up to $3 and then $3.28. I don't know why I have the hiccups right now. We have HCTI. We can see possibly nice break of the downtrend, but I'm not a huge fan of it. We're just going to mark up these levels. Over this, we have room up to $2, 205, and then 250 if we break that. So HCTI definitely could. Approves 2.2 billion. Excuse me. Approves 2 million stock repurchase program. So HTCI, good relative volume, low float. This thing could move. What about UAV? Well, let's go to ADN first. ADN break over 345, room up to $4, 450, and then we have UAVS. UAVS is now up up 70%. Now with a 75 million float, but it is gapping up. The first drone in its class to receive design verification, so they got verification from safety agency. That's pretty good. Over this level, we're going to see it rip up to 120. So right now, probably my favorite stock is UAVS. I'm looking for a nice pop here, but we also have traders in talking about MREO. Let's go ahead and look at that. Give it some fire. Thank you guys for the likes. Any questions or anything, any stocks you want to look at before market opens? Everyone smash the like button. It's easy, and we can get to 3,000 likes. I know we can. That'd be a very, very good goal. All right, guys. I mean, right now, my favorite stock is probably UAVS off VWAP. Again, I'm not really taking this at the moment. I'm just going to be I'm just being patient. I want to wait for the best opportunity. I'm not here to make money. I'm here to make wonderful trades. And if I can make wonderful trades and great trades, then the money will follow. So that is what I'm looking for. Playing it patient. And why? Let's just read off some rules. You have to remember that you have to think consistently. If you don't believe you are consistent, you're not going to be consistent. I am consistent, but you also have to remember that everything is random. You never want to risk more than 3% on any given trade. It's okay not to trade. Cash is a position. I will always have a hard stop in place, and I'll always have at least 3 reasons to jump into a trade. I'll have consistent position sizing and consistent take profits and stop losses. You will have losing streaks. So just get over it. You know you're going to lose. Trading is a business. Take every position seriously because it's going in your trade log. And only trade strong trends. If the trend is not strong, aka lack of volume, get out. Do not take that trade. I jump into Tesla again this week. Go ahead and look at Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's dumping off. We're gapping up around 20 points now. I'm not really a huge fan. You could bounce off the double bottom. We're kind of getting some action, but again, I would like to wait for a little bit more of a reversal on the weekly chart, I would say. On the weekly, it looks like it's just getting ready to bounce and go lower. Even though we did get a pretty strong bounce, it's nothing crazy. So, I do think Tesla has more room to the downside. I think we could see it back down to 550. So we also have CNVY. CNVY. Oh. SYM. I don't really like SYM, but I'm going to add it more of a back burner. We're in new price discovery mode. Price discovery for SYM. Yeah, we're gonna just sit on our hands, wait for a good opportunity. Is ETH going to 700? I believe it very well could. Puts this week. I'm not too sure. Not think nothing screaming bearish. In my opinion. Are you familiar with BlackRock? Yes. BlackRock funds. What do you think? Well, BlackRock is a very they're very into like crypto. One of the biggest asset managers in the world. So ETH, I think very well could go down to 700. I mean, honestly, their Ethereum's fees now are great. Like I don't mind on Ethereum anymore at all because it's only a few bucks every single time. Where it used to be $60, $70 to $100. Now it's cheap. So I'm happy with that. That Ethereum. Oh, we have HCTI starting to move, breaking this downtrend, going up to VWAP. We could have room back up to 180. Let's see if this. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of this, so I think I'm just gonna not take it, but I'm just waiting patiently, waiting for a good opportunity. go. I'm not a huge... Oh, we got 2 converted viewers. Awesome, awesome. Thank you guys for jumping on the stream. We do have HCTI looking to break the downtrend with increasing volume. Again, I'm not 100% confident in this play. 2 million stock repurchase program over 150. Let's see those orders taken out. You might get a squeeze over 150. Not really seeing those market orders come in. Again, it is pre-market, so... Alrighty. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about BKSY, UAVS. UAVS could be a nice ascending triangle break. Up to 120. Let's see if we get the strength to pop over 102. Doesn't look like it wants to. I think we're going to see MREO rip out of the gate. I don't know. Something about it just tells me that I think it's going to move. If we can stay above VWAP here especially, we might be able to rip off the 200 SMA. What's really going on with the SPY? I'm not a huge fan of the SPY at all. What a gap down. Just gap down, gap down, gap down. Wow. Look at that crash. Just like the COVID crash, we're falling quick. The COVID crash was just absolutely... We found the bottom in 30 days. It was a month. And then absolutely rallied. Now we're down 24% over the course of 170 days. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the SPY right now. I mean, we are gapping up a couple points, but nothing crazy. And nothing's really moving on our scanners. We have MREO coming back and retesting this level. Photo HCTI. cross chain bridge has been going up 800% in the past 7 days. Wow. Alpha coin Apollo Inu. Apollo Inu is up 252%. Give me 1 sec. All right. Got a bloody nose. I was blowing. How's the bear market treating you? Not too bad. Not too bad. I've been able to load up on my favorite coins. You know, I'm still loading them up dollar cost averaging. I'm not too aggressive at the moment, but I am dollar cost averaging. I caught a couple relief rallies on VXV, which is nice. I'm looking for just, continue to make profit in these relief rallies and then kind of scale my profits into rate your content, G. G for good, or you want me to rate it? Right now it hasn't been that good. Yeah, no, but I mean the bear market, it's whatever. I knew it was gonna happen. But I'm an investor. I still have faith in I still have faith in a lot of my companies that I'm invested in. So I'm just playing it patient. I think S or HCTI is probably the top stock to watch in my opinion. Maybe UAVS. Let's see. Let's see. We have 2 minutes left until market open. That's smart and DC here. Yeah, running balls from And we're going to be live in 10 seconds. All right, let's get this. We are live. HTCI. Let's see. MREO get rejected here. Got rejected. Getting rejected off this 200 SMA. I want to see this pull back a little bit more. Again, you don't have to make a trade right out of the gate. Play patient. Cash is the position. Thoughts on loading up SP around these ranges? I mean, yeah, you could. I also think you could come down lower for sure. There's no really sign of a bottom setting in yet. So I mean, it would obviously the SPY right now is a great buy, but I mean, just you got to be careful that you know that you might not get the bottom. HGCI just dumped. BKSY is moving on up. Let's see a quick pullback. So I can't, on this trade, I'm looking for a nice bounce, a break and retest, bounce off the 9 EMA. Oh, I mean, 172. Your stops have to be below. I don't want to risk more than 10 cents here. So I'm good. Next target's going to be $3, so there's 25 cents of reward possibly. But I do want to see this if I see buying pressure start to come in to this play, I'm looking to actually take this, continue. Don't like that we have pretty high volume off that area. Not a huge fan of it. Oh yeah, I want to see decreasing volume on this candle. There it is. 274. All good. And there it looks. That would have been a great trade. Just wasn't confident enough in it. This high volume on this move. You would have been up almost 20 cents a share there. Hello? What's good? Nothing much, nothing much. I'm live on YouTube and on TikTok, so they can hear you. Yeah, so I was looking at BKSY, but like I was looking at it for an entry off 274, but I just wasn't confident. Would have caught almost 20 cents there, but unfortunate. No, scared of the well, I was scared on that pullback. We had decreasing volume, but it was still pretty high volume on that pullback. Yeah, it is running. That's the only one running on the watch list. BKSY? No, I was planning on it, but I didn't. I'm not really seeing anything at the moment. What about CEAD? CEAD. Yeah. Maybe see decreasing volume pullback down to the VWAP. It might also bounce off the 50 SMA on the daily for CEAD. If we break over, when we got stopped at 63, break over that area, we room up to $2. Not much resistance until 2 for CEAD if we break over that previous high. I like to see this decreasing volume coming in. What's the news? Potential 100 million in revenues. I like this decreasing volume. I kind of want to see this. All right, there's the dump down to VWAP, increasing volume. Let's see if it. I don't like that at all. If we need this to stay above VWAP here. Let's see if volume starts to come in off 144 or 141. Excuse me. I don't think it will. Nope, doesn't look like it. What about BKSY? Okay, we have decreasing volume here. On BKSY, what I'd like to see. It's just. Josh took 2,500 shares. Is that at 2? Yeah, at 280. 2,500 shares. I mean, he's still got VWAP in his favor. He's still got the test. Yeah. I mean, if we start breaking though, he better start cutting it. If we start breaking below 270, if he's the buyers below 270 or the sellers below 270, I mean, you might have to start cutting it. He is cutting it. He's cutting back his position. Yeah. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Yeah. Down for 240. First green week ever, man. I love this group. Can't thank y'all enough. 100%. AZJ. What is your top stock? BLVS. It's CLVS needs to continue to run, but I also need it to pull back. I'm not buying at this area. ADN is kind of looking promising over this downtrend. All right. I think we're gonna I want to see ADN start to rip up, and I think ADN has room up to $4 today. If we can break above this downtrend, I think we could see 4. I mean, because we're already above yesterday's close or Friday's close. Never mind, Friday's open. But if we can break above what's 364, we're definitely gonna move up to $4. Woo! Excuse me. Thank you guys for the likes. 1.6 or 1.6 thousand likes. Thank you. All right. Oh god, it spiked up to 2264.
Oh, they're good.
Yeah, it's ripping AERC. It just loves ripping. AERC is one of those loves.
Like already...
Yeah, I mean, literally at the beginning of the month, it was down at $2 a stock. Or $2 a share. Yeah, BKSY did come up and test the VWAP. Well, I mean, I think if we crack below 260, we're going to see this dump on off.
TCI is gonna...
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm looking at CEAD. I like it. I like it. Getting back into this area. Excuse me. Oh, It was tanking. Yeah, it could be. There could be a. Let's look at the daily on Bitcoin. Yeah, I think there's more room down too. This is just a nice relief rally. Yeah. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a nice cup and handle here on the 1 minute for CEAD. I like the cup and handle. Now with the cup and handle strategy, you also don't want to. You want to see the retracements also not go past the 50% level of this area. So at 152, we want it to start to pull back here, and we don't want. Oh, never mind. It's not going to. We're just going to continue to rip. Let's see what halt levels at 179. Let's see if we can squeeze up and get into a halt. We're at 172. I don't see it. I don't see it squeezing up in the halt. I don't see the buying pressure is there. It is not there. Hold on, hold on. I'm watching CEAD really watching it right now. Yeah, if it does squeeze up into a halt, but man, I didn't like that at 163. Just not enough profit. I mean, there would have been 10 cents right there, but I wasn't trusting it. CEAT. We have decreasing volume now to the upside. What stock did you want me to check out? Oh yeah, SIDU. It's a little bit more choppy, but if we break above, I mean, we're gonna see it. We're gonna see it rip up to 260 to fill the gap on the daily, or not to. Sorry, 760. I think this is 70 cents to the upside. Or 60 cents to the upside. No, they are not. BKSY starting to get some action. Not action, but just getting back over a VWAP. Hmm. Yeah, I mean. Yeah, there's a nice false move or false break under VWAP from CEAD, but man, I'm not liking anything at the moment. If UAVS drops below 80 cents, I'm done trading. I'm removing it from the watch list. Yeah, ADN does need to have that leg up. Yeah, they are. Yeah. I'm looking for a possible flag from CEAD as well as a retest of 163, as well as a bounce off VWAP for a break over the previous high, room to $2. That's what I'm looking for on CEAD. Let's see a nice squeeze down to 163, or not squeeze. Let's see a nice move down to 163 before ripping and moving another 40 cents to the upside. That'd be very nice. I want to see a little bit more of a pullback down to this area. Possibly look for a run. The Qs also look like they're flagging. Man, my CVLS chart isn't loading. There it is. Oh yeah, to fill the gap. Very well could. We might be able to see that cup and handle form. I don't know, the 5 minute, that cup and handle looks very weak in my opinion. But still could just continue to go. Oh, of course, there's a CEAD ripping up. Didn't push over that previous high though. I kind of do. We'll just see what's going on. See what we have. HCTI. Let's see if this can start to get over VWAP. I mean, we do have a pivot low from HCCI with increasing volume. Haven't made a single trade yet. All right, let's see this pullback from CEAD. Oh, we have HCTI breaking out. VWAP there. Oh my gosh, HCTI is absolutely ripping. Oh my gosh, what a wick. What a wick. Dude, that popped all the way up to 170 and just flushed back down to 145. That's why you do not chase stocks. That is why you are very patient. I do not like that scam wick whatsoever. H2. REV. All right, all right. Oh, there's okay, not too bad. Pulling back to this area. I like to see that RSI kind of just stand up there in almost the overbought region. Wow, what a wick on HCTI. What a wick.
Oh.
You were talking about Rev? Yeah, then you got to cut back your position. Oh, there's the dip. There's the dip off VWAP. Oh, I'm watching CEAD. Josh is also watching it. You're in 408 on Rev.
Classic.
Yep. Just absolutely moving. Well, Bitcoin's awesome. 21.5. Yeah, dude, this thing went from 17.6 to 21.5, 22% in like 3 days. Come on. I know CEAD, you want to rip over that pre-mark, you want to rip over that intraday high. ADN is not good. I'm getting rid of ADN and HTC for my watch list. All right, but from CEAD we have decrease. Well, on CEAD. I'm looking for the flag decreasing volume off the high, off the trend line, off the 20 EMA, off of VWAP. If we can get a nice touch. Now I want to see that volume start to come in, and I might look to start playing this. Sorry. All right. I'm watching. Oh, we have GMVD. GMVD looks pretty good. I think it's. We're coming right into the 50 SMA. Break above that, I mean, we're gonna see it rip up to $1 and then 112 for GMVD. No, I missed my entry off 176 on CEAD. I don't want to chase it here because we didn't really get that huge trend line touch. I mean, we did on the 5-minute kind of, but nice pivot low. And there's the squeeze over the high. Again, I was waiting for the setup, but I didn't take it at all. This would have been a very, very good setup. I was too busy looking at GMVD, didn't pay attention, and this thing absolutely squeezed. So it's unfortunate. And it's still repping. Unfortunate. That's why it's very important to just only have a couple stocks to watch. Let's see a nice dip and rip. Never mind, it's going to continue to rip. 216 is the halt level. We're not getting halted on this thing. I don't see it getting halted at least. No, I chase. I'm not. Oh, REV. Oh yeah, REV. There's.
Look at that candle. Wow.
There's this nice strong. Let's see the breakout. See that increasing volume. If it's not breaking out here, you might want to consider taking some off the table. It needs to break. It needs to break here. If it's 414, we have some. There it is. There's the break. Let it be. Let it run. Nice. No, you have plenty. Yeah, you have plenty of reason to. You have plenty of reasons to hold this. It's gonna pull back for a retest of 414, and then you have room up to 480. Next target. Oh yeah, 474. First target's 474. Yeah, good stuff. Oh, man, I'm pissed that I missed that entry on CEAD. Because I am hungry as hell and I haven't had anything to eat. Oh. I know. What the fuck? Oh, 3:30 or 4:30. Good stuff. Good stuff. You were right. I would take half off the table now. I was gonna say take half now, buy and on the dip. When you see buyers drop below 430, oh my goodness. Yep, take one off, and then when it pulls back, add it. Add one more if it pulls back, I think. Well, you're adding to this play. This already had the strong breakout. If you see a good decreasing volume pullback, that would be a good chance to add. I wouldn't add here, though. Gosh, CEAD is ripping. Oh my goodness. No, I'm waiting for this. Next target's 24. And then on Rev. Hey, but you took half, so you're good. Yep, stops at break even. Gosh, I want to see CEAD rip up and get into a halt, but the halt level just keeps moving farther and farther away. Dude, we're going to the gym and lunch on my birthday. I turned 21. Yes, sir.
It's tough. I take
Oh. Nah, dude, it already sent. It already.
We got more.
Did you buy another one or no? Yeah, I didn't really. There wasn't really a good pullback for it, but you did the right thing and took profits. I mean, you entered at like 407, 405, and like you were up almost 9% on that trade. That was a beautiful trade. Yeah, keep it at 408. Next when it breaks the new high, move it below 422. Oh my gosh, CEAD just wants to continue to rip and run. That would have been. Come on, can just squeeze up into a halt because for some reason TD Ameritrade likes to fill me when this level 2 is stacking, which is really weird because a lot of people find a lot of trouble getting in on at levels like that. Come on, rip up. There it is. 20 more cents that you got to move. Just 20 cents. That's all you got to do. A lot of selling at 225. Break over that, and it looks like we're going to continue to move. Buyers over 225, 230. What in the world? What's the short interest on CEAD? I don't see it getting stacked, and I don't see it fin this. I'm not gonna buy it here. It's just way too overextended. But I mean, CEAD. Short float doesn't tell me. Let's see the float calc. Let's see Yahoo Finance. Guys. You're thinking about. Yeah, I like that idea as well. I like that pullback. Nice. You need to have a retest of 420, I believe. Yep. The 5% short float. Oh, there it is. Oh, there's the pop. Decreasing volume. Oh my goodness, there's a new high a day. CEAD. What the fuck? Dude. And the halt level's still getting farther and farther away. Halt level's at 262. Josh is in SQQQ, meaning he wants the Qs to drop. His buying price is at 58.28. I don't know what that is on the Qs. But right now the Qs are at what? Yeah, I'm still streaming. Yep. UAVS, deleting the watch list. PKSY, deleting off the watch list. Hold on. I don't have They have MREO, CEAD, GMVD, and REV. Man, I'm pissed I didn't get that entry. Yeah, we need a bigger pullback than this. AERC looking juicy, someone says. I don't like AERC. I like this decreasing volume. We have a big buyer. Oh, he's going away. There's the move. Watch the squeeze. Squeeze up to 4. Up to 75. Possible squeeze here. Let's see if it moves. Yeah. I'm looking at REV. You have 502 is the 50 SMA. Or 505, sorry. And there's the move. I should have jumped in. You did. That's 4% right there. Got there's 465. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I think that's a smart move. Good stuff. No, that was a great trade. Yeah, look at now. Now watch. That's done. REV's done. Nah, dude, you're not gonna be able to get in and out perfectly. You caught most of the move. Hey, good for you. Yeah. No. Hmm. Yeah, I haven't. I'll check it out. I'm leaving that tab open. Ah, there's the move. I wanted to jump in, but you know, I don't have enough confidence at this area. Like, there's just not something where it's like, yeah, REV at 520. No. Uh, yeah, that, yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm looking. I'm watching. I'm, yeah, I don't think. I think we're gonna see it. I don't even know. I'm just playing it patient. If I want to see it consolidate all the way back to the trend line. If you're watching my stream, this one. Do you don't want it to break? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. I mean, I don't think it will. I think we're gonna see that consolidate as the VWAP kind of pushes up as well. And I still think, and then your stops can be below 2, which is a good, very good level to put at your stops because VWAP's there, the trend line's there, and it's a psychological level. So if we could see that pull back to that area, that'd be a great place to add. REVEs at 460, trying to push back up. Don't think it's a strong trend though. I think it's just gonna get. This is just a test. I think we're gonna pull back. Ah, there's CEAD ripping from 3 or 230 to 4 or 240. I don't like this at all. Gonna pull back a little bit. See, this is gonna be a good turning point. Josh is down $600. Oh, 100%, I believe. Yeah, there's the turnaround from CEAD. Now I'm looking for the wedge on CRED. Possibly. I want to see it come down, touch. I want to see, excuse me. I want to see CEAD come down and touch VWAP, come down and touch $2, come down and retest the 5-minute low, possibly for a break of this downtrend, and then we can see it rip back up to 250, possibly even to $3 if we can break over that high. Oh, oh, graph. Oh yeah, grab moving up. I'm looking for CEAD. I think we had a false move. Oh, maybe not. What was the high of this candle? No, that he was the guy in chat. Jakey Lakey. He was the guy in the alpha chat. AERC. Guess it could be wedging on the higher time frame. Watch out for the pop. Over this level, I mean, we're gonna see it rip up to 21, possibly even 21.5. Man, I think this wants to rip. How are the Fibonacci levels? Held 32. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how confident I am buying at a high day. Buying close to it at least. There's the flush out. The buying pressure is just not strong. A lot of selling here. We crossed. Yep, there it is below. I want to see this pull back a little. I want to see this pull back a little bit more. I haven't made a single trade today. What's their scanner saying? What's HCTI doing? Nothing. UAVS. No, you're not. You shouldn't be at least. Unless you took another trade. Oh. CEAD? I can't find it. Oh. Oh, yeah. I'm not feeling it. All right, you all right? Okay. It's all good. That's close to the bottom. Now you get, when you start seeing that buying volume start to come in, there's the buying volume. Ah, there it's gonna break. I do. My finger's on the trigger. No, my finger's on the trigger. Possibly. Looking for around 10 cents or so. Do you know what Shift C? It means it's gonna cancel your order. So Shift C, that's good to have when you're looking to buy something quick. Have your hand on there and ooh. Hey, it's all good. It can still break. Yeah. On the 10-minute, I want it to come down to 213. Oh, wow. Just liquidate a bunch of traders before going long. Wow. Gosh, I don't know how I feel about CEAD. Failing it. I don't know. I don't know. Just something about it. Just I feel like if the buying was there, it would be coming in though, like now. So I'm waiting for a nice squeeze. Once we get a squeeze really over 233, I'm looking to take this to the break, look for the previous high. Off the 90 MA, decreasing volume on the pullback, nice wedge on the 5-minute. It really should. I'm in at 235 or 235, a little bit risky here. Let's see the break, increasing volume. I'm at 235 already. Let's see this start to rip here. Let's see it start to continue to move here. I want to see this up at 2. Once it breaks 240, I'm going to sell just a little bit. Not seeing that volume, going to just take some off the table. I'm not seeing that volume come in. I took a little bit off the table. No, we're not. I'm not. I'm getting out of that. Yep, I got $6 on that trade. I mean, not good. Are you still holding? Dude, get out. No, dude, get this guy. Dude. What is it? Okay, that's fair. I bought at 234 and I was selling at the high at 237. It could went all the way up to 243, so I was just bad execution on my part, but I'm glad I was getting out because I didn't see that buying pressure. See, that's why I was scaling out, because I did not see that buying pressure come in with the volume. Oh, diamond hands. CMRA? Yeah. Coming back. CEAD. Dude, I'm telling you, if the buying pressure was there, don't you think anybody who was looking to buy CEAD would buy on the breakout for that previous high? Now we had a false breakout with high volume that scared out traders, as well as we broke over the previous high or the previous wick at 1018 or 1018 for at $2.42 and then washed out. That scared out all the traders. AERC. I know, the day's moving quick. I can't read Russian. Your stops are at 213. Yeah. All right. I would make them. Yeah, it looks like you're about to get stopped out here. There it is. Well, you actually had a better fill. You got in. What was your buying price there? I had 35. So you had 7 cents on me, and that's a lot. That's like 7 to, well, hold on. For my position size. I'd have been an extra like 20 bucks or so on my position. So I mean, that's only with 250 shares too. Not a lot. So that 7 cents is good. It's just the scaling out. It's that volume, not seeing it. We'll see if we might be able to see a bounce. Oh, I mean the one on the, oh, I don't know how, I'm not a huge fan of the 15-minute chart. Those upper wicks. Yeah, you just look, hey. Yeah, I'd agree. Yeah, on the 5. Oh, yeah, it's not stopping, but I hate the way that this is moving. Another one, like, meh. I'm deleting MREO off the watch list. Uh-oh, is CEAD about to crack VWAP? IFBD. Okay, let's see if CED can start to get some movement. But I mean, we are below that lower trend line that I drew up a while ago. Not very good. Let's see if GMVD gets some action. I don't know. Oh, we have G-Box. Yeah, I actually kind of like it. All right, with this, I'm going to be looking for around 10 cents, maybe. We're right at the 90 EMA. Next target's going to be 188, and then $2, and then 208. We could pull back and test this trend line and the 90 EMA. The 90 EMA is now crossing the VWAP. Let's see this pull back just a little bit here on G-Box. Excuse me. Oh, I need to have a cough button or a sneeze button. I'm not liking the doji, the shooting star candle on the 10 and 15 minute chart. Oh, GMVD starting to get some action. Oh yeah, imp. Okay, okay. IMPP. Might be looking. This could be looking for a nice squeeze over this intraday high, over this high. Over this high, you have room up to 60 cents. There's 3 cents for you. Nothing crazy. There's a G-Box dropping below my trend line, not trading it. Grab still moving up. I hate that price action. So yeah, CMRA still moving up. Let's see if REV can break the downtrend off a double bottom, possibly off the VWAP. GMVD. Tech for beginners. How often do you trade short? Not super often. I much rather would trade long. How about you? Man, I'm not really liking anything at the moment. CEAD is now below VWAP. Let's see if it holds 2. Doesn't look like we're gonna hold 2. See if the buyers can hold it though. See if the buyers can hold 2. Yeah, I also have a cash account, so I don't short. No. I do not short. Thank you guys for the follow on TikTok. Oh, and I haven't learned puts yet. Yeah, man, my serratus anterior, my back, or I did kind of shoulder movements too. Yeah, puts options are harder just because all the deltas. You have to really learn, make sure that you have enough time if you're swing trading. Also, you don't want to really. But I'm happy I made my first. Hey, $50, $55 profit. Good stuff. Did I see that inside of chat? Down for the day. There it is. Awesome. There it is. I'm gonna give it 100%. Love it. Good stuff. And if you wouldn't mind me asking, what software are you using to track the calendar like that? It's dark blue background, very simplistic. Just all I see is all it shows is oh it's Weeble on the mobile app. Okay. No, I don't have Weeble, so I can't really use that. CLVS. Oh. About to make you FOMO in, then don't take the trade. How much? You still got some profit on the table though. VIRI. What is Riot? Yeah, Riot's at 16% on the day. BITF. Bit Farms. BITI. When there's a new whoa. When what is going on? What was this? June 10th? Oh, they just started it again. That's weird. But on the mobile, yeah, they have trust short ETF for Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes down, this goes up. It's called BITI. BITI. Rev back above VWAP here. Let's see if we can get a nice pop. I'll be looking for maybe around 20 cents or so, maybe around to 30. Let's see if we can get a nice pop break over this high. Could also just be coming back to retest 220. Let's see if we can actually get above this area on CEAD. There's a fat rug pull on GMVD. I'm not liking anything. IFBD. Could be flagging here. Not a huge fan. Let's see it pull back just a little bit more. Oh shit. Ripped up. Man, that thing's ripping. I think we could see another squeeze up into this area. Not a, like, I don't think we'll break a high today, but I do think we're going to see another retest. Traders are going to want to take it. Yeah, let's see it. Yeah. I'm liking for a nice pivot low. Nice downtrend break for CEAD. Well off the 90 EMA, off of VWAP. Let's see if it holds here. And a possible head and shoulders pattern. MREO. I deleted off the watch list. I wasn't a fan. Nope, the head and shoulders pattern didn't work out. MREO. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of it either. We could start to get, if we start to break this downtrend now, I would say if we come up and actually test this downtrend, but I'm not a huge fan of it at the moment. We are above the 50 SMA. Oh no, we're not. We're below. CEAD, what's going on? Oh, let's see if we can get a nice strong close above VWAP. If we squeeze above VWAP and continue this buying pressure, I'm going to look to take this. MULN. Oh yeah, it's popping. I do like MULN now. Yeah, you do like your wedges. Oh, that's REV. Never mind. What's going on with CEAD? Yep, REV getting a nice. We're coming into some resistance. I don't like it. There's the false move. REV is done for the day. I can almost guarantee it just because that false move. But you never know. Oh yeah, you're looking forward to come up, touch that area, then pull back to around. Yeah. MULN is probably my top stock to watch. Let's see it start to flag here. I mean, honestly, I don't know. Oh man. Oh, I am sore. Oh, holy setup. Yeah, what's up? How you doing? Uh, yeah, like the trade. Look at blue. We were taking it over that previous high. I mean, we're hitting right at the 50 SMA on the daily. Next target would be Friday's high at 425, 428. Not a huge fan of everything. Is a good day today. Another red to green move. Yep. Another Steve. I like it. AERC, you think? Oh, you like that wedge, that higher low. Yeah. You think it's going to go to 20? I mean, I think. Okay. Maybe. I think today, if it's going to hit 21, break above, you're hitting 22, possibly even 23 today. Because it depends how much volume you get out of this break. But if you get a lot of volume, are you in for it? Yes, sir. Nope, you're not going to get in. It's about to break. I have no idea. Oh, there's the break. It's all good. Hey, it's all good. You already missed it. Don't take the trade. If you didn't get your entry, it's all good. You don't have to force the trade. Oh, CEAD starting to get some action. Starting to get some action over this area. Let's see a quick pullback and a nice dip and rip. Oh. I want to see it pull back a little bit more. I missed the entry off 218. I don't want to 5 cents. I mean, we're getting hit with we're getting hit with some selling at this area, increasing volume. And that would have been a great entry. Looks like we're going to continue to move. Just I wasn't able to get in on it. I don't know. I don't trust it. God, none of the setups. I can't trust any of these setups today. Because I can't get an edge on it. I missed that great trade off the trend line, the pop. But nice decreasing volume. Let's see if we can get this. I don't know. Let's see if this can actually close above 21. Okay, I want to see increasing volume on a doji candle for this 15 minute. I don't like that that retest on the 10 minute though. It looks like we still have 7 minutes on that candle, so I think we should be good. As long as we close above 220, I think I'm confident in it. But the 5 minute also doesn't look well. You're in a 1955. Yeah, that was a perfect. That was a very, very good. All right, first profit target is going to be at 2023, correct? Or where? Yeah, well, you're risking less than 2%, which is good. And first target is around 4%, so that's a good trade. I mean, you're in pretty well. I mean, the one thing I don't like is that we're below VWAP, and we had a false breakout over the previous high. So, in my opinion, I think if you see it break below 1937, you're gonna see it crack your level. So you might be able to save like 10 cents. Because it's gonna break that trend line if it breaks below that previous low at 19 like. So it's up to you again. I'm just saying. I mean, this is your strategy. Yep. All right. $19.29. Yeah. Uh-oh, let's see this bounce. Oh, you didn't get filled. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
What in the world?
That's what
No.
this looks.
Wait, don't sell.
I just don't.
Yeah. Oh.
That low.
You were literally one like 2 cents off. Yeah. IFVD. Wait, what? IF what? IFBD. Okay, yeah, it's getting tight. It's getting tight. It's flagging. Possibly looking. There's 10 cents to the high, which is what I like. Over that high, where could we go? Next target would be like 90, 90, 92. $1. IFBD. What about CMRA? Hmm. Yeah. There's a nice double bottom on REV. I mean, oh, let's see REV start to move up here. Grab is about to make a new high a day. Break over 270. We're gonna see this thing squeeze. Hold on. Let's see that 170 start to get taken out. This thing start to squeeze on grab. Not a huge fan. You're AERC. So how do you use the level 2? Now in this area, we'll see how we're pushing up over a previous high level, and also we're kind of getting stuck at 270. You want to focus down at the level 2, and since we're pushing up above, we're going to look at the ask, and this is people who are selling the limit orders. Now if you see these orders start to get taken out, let's see them start to get taken out. Maybe this drops down to 500, 400, 300, then let you know that selling wall is getting taken out for the possible squeeze higher. And if I'm short on this trade, my stop loss is going to be right above this high. This person who's trying to sell 67,000 shares. So my stop would be at 271, and we're going to create a squeeze over that area, and that is a little short squeeze. Now we're starting to get taken out. Now we're at 600. Came up and tested the 270. Let's see this order continue to get taken out. What? On what trade? On what? Of what? Oh, at 29. Wait, what stock? Oh. Yep. I'm watching CEAD for the break of the downtrend. Yep. Yeah, it's I think you can on a margin account. Yeah, I mean, all right, I like CEAD for the possible downtrend break. Room up to the previous high at 250. Over 250. We have room up to $3. I'm looking to take around 200 shares on this position. Looking for around 20 cents, 30 cents. If we can hold this VWAP here. Oh my goodness. My lats, for some reason, are sore. Even though I did not train. Yeah. Well, I haven't trained chest in a while. Yesterday was. Legs. Honestly, the 15-minute chart on CEAD looks pretty good. I mean, there is those upper wicks, but like, we do have that decreasing volume. We do have increasing volume on a doji candle. If we do start to break to the upside, I could see us definitely coming back and retesting at like 240. MULN about to cross new high a day. You're talking about CEAD? Oh, Josh is also in CEAD. I think he's in a little bit too early. He is in at 215. Oh, and we broke. I told Josh you shouldn't have jumped in early. There was no reasoning to jump in there. Josh is done trading. He just lost $130 on that trade. He's down 513 on the day. Looks like I'm a better trader than Josh. I'm up $6. Do we see SPY break 380? Blues moving again. Good long. Let's go look at the SPY, see what's going on. The SPY is moving up. It looks like very consistently. We are losing a lot of volume. So it looks like this is not a strong trend. And we could be just going up to fill the gap at 377. At 377, that's when we hit the June 15th close. So, I mean, we could see a possible look for a double top in that area, and then you might be able to catch a short back down to fill the gap lower. I mean, honestly, if we see this start to come up, like there's very little volume. If we see the SPY do something today, maybe pull up to like if it pulls up to 380, I'm definitely gonna swing some puts. Let's see, CEAD. Oh, CEAD back up, nice strong retest. What in the world? I'm buying some right here at 215. That might have been a little bit early, but I'm risking it for the biscuit. What a strong close, and Josh is probably pissed. He's probably not pissed, but he's watching it for sure. Let's see a break here. Let's see a break up to this area. Yeah, I think my stop loss is right below VWAP now. I'm risking around 10 cents. My first target is going to be at 25. I'll sell a quarter at 25 and then 25 cents move stop to break even. Once I get 1R, I'm going to sell a quarter, stops to break even. Well, why did I just jump into this trade? I'm looking for a bounce off VWAP. We had a nice false move lower with a strong retest. Looking for this to break higher, break the downtrend. Here we go. Let's see what's going to happen. We have increasing volume. Let's see this continue higher. It doesn't want to. We could just be flagging here for a little bit. The 90 main 20, nice squeeze over that 50 SMA on the 1 minute. Let's see what happens here. Nice decreasing volume in the move lower. Let's see a nice quick squeeze up to 225. That's a 4.5% around for the gains. Since it's at 4.5%, if it hits 225, I think I'm going to take actually half off the table just because. Now we're starting to break out. Let's see this volume continue to come. If we don't come in, I'm going to move my stops to break even. There it is. Let's continue to push higher here. There it is. I'm in at 215. There's 220. Let's see a squeeze over 225. Okay, yeah, thanks. Yeah, if you could. Okay, we're starting to see that volume. I'm moving my stops. My stops are now below. My stops are now at 213, 212. So I'm risking 3 cents now because if this falls back below, I'm fine with losing that much with 2 cents. But if this can, I want to give this enough room to breathe. Looks like I'm about to get stopped out here. $213. I got out. All right. I'm done for the day. P&L of $2.46. There's the nice false move off of CEAD. Guys, I got caught in 2 false moves on this stock. We had that first trade, missed it. That first beautiful trade, and just didn't take it. So unfortunate. I took my. I don't have capital. No, I used it on 2 trades already. I usually limit it to 2 trades. We'll say something like that today when looking at stock with a downline. Oh, yes. Hold on. I gotta give this a little bit of snippet. New. And let's see this load. Come on. There it is. Control save. We go to videos, save. Oh. Then had a this was a false move to the a general rule of thumb. There's no volume. This was a false move to the downside. A general rule of thumb, if there's no volume, it could be a false move.